Cucumbers come in all shapes and sizes when they're homegrown. I'm looking over here today in my little small garden pot here where I have cucumbers growing. But look at them, they come in a round shape. Look over here, a round cucumber. I don't know why they're growing round, but there's some more coming up. But let me go ahead and harvest these round cucumbers here. They're supposed to be pickling cucumbers. But they coming in all shapes and sizes. Okay. Let's get your little buddy over here that's growing here on the hanging from the trellis. Okay. Got more coming. Okay. Got me some round cucumbers grown in Big Mama's garden. I decided instead of making a basket with those marigolds that I got, I just spreaded them around on the ground so they can be closer to the plants, give them more pest control, closer to the ground. Okay, just spreaded them all around. Put some over there with the watermelons and the cantaloupe. Okay, come on and look beautiful in the garden. See what I tell you? You gotta come out every day and check your asparagus beds. Look at that. Okay, asparagus. And I see one back over in there I'm gonna get. Okay. Let me harvest these asparagus. I like them when they're nice size like that. I don't like the little skinny one. Let's see if I can get this one in the back. Okay. You're a little skinny, but I'm gonna take you anyway. Okay. I don't see any more. Look at my beautiful zinnias. Okay. Asparagus any more in here? Let me know. I'll come back tomorrow. Oh, wait a minute. I see another one down there. See, they be hiding. Okay, I see you. I see you right here. Let's see if I can get you. Okay, nice. Nice asparagus. Okay, any more? I don't see any more for right now. Get about a handful every day. I found two more, but one is real skinny. I'm gonna let it just stay there and probably gone the fern on it. But I'll go ahead and pull this one right here. Okay. Let's see. Any more? Okay. I'll come back and check on you later. I don't see any more. I see a little one there, but that's too skinny for me. I don't like them little skinny ones. Them little thin ones. It's a nice size. Okay. One more added to the bunch. A handful of asparagus. All this today. Did Mama start?